Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 100, Part 1. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Jishao. Right now, she was busy at school. The university called CTA University, and it was the end of a peasant vacation. It seems that everyone is busy, especially Jishao and Wei Xingyu. Since Wei Xingyu's need to take over the company, right now she's been practicing there. Everyone started a new campus life and entered the university. Well, it was really the beginning after two of the end of high school. Right now, it was a new life. Together with the same university, right now, Jishao. I don't know if Wei Xingyu general meeting in the shareholder is going well today. Now, she's been worried about Wei Xingyu. Of course, it was her first day in the company, and she got really worried about Wei Xingyu handling the company matters. Jishao, she was really good. Suddenly, she got interrupted. There's someone's bumping on her. Oops, who is it? Right now, Jishao got really surprised. It turned out her friend was there, and she was holding a milk tea. Sister Xiao, do you miss me? Tanjan, one of her high school friend. Right now, what is she doing here? Suddenly she came to visit her. Xiao, to her curiosity, she was asking her friend, why are you here? I have no class today, so I came on experience the life of the tough university here. Oh, it's that the reason that's why she really came into. Maybe she really missed Jishao and Wei Xingyu, that's why she really came too. Jishao said to her, let's go, I will take you to our school. Turns out, she really wanted her to tour around the school. Since she was new here, alas, Sister Xiao, it is okay for you to skip the class like this. It's okay, this season is a big water class teacher who won't take care of it. Oh, it turns out, she was not busy and she had free time so she can tour her friend. Suddenly, someone interrupted her. Turns out, she got a message. It came from Wei Xingyu. Well, could it be that? It was a good news, that's why Wei Xingyu is contacting her, especially texting her right now. Wei Xingyu, I'm going to attend the general meeting of the shareholders tomorrow. When Jishao is single, he will be easily targeted by the bad people. I ask you to accompany her. If anything happens, let me know in time. No problem. It was Wei Xingyu. Well, she really busy. It turns out, it was not busy today. A fine and perfect day for her. Well, she was really waiting for Wei Xingyu. A good news from her. If she is successful, the first day of the company, especially right now, she was really nervous. Your school is so good. We can do ours, and we called them every day. Anjan said to Jishao. It seems that she is not changing, and she was still like she was in high school. Well, the two of them seems to be happy, sipping a cup of milk tea. And you're really miserable. Luckily, I follow and we sit together and at least it's what's not worrying. Anjan said to Jishao. Well, she was really true, especially right now. Tanshan, it's not your little green plum. Well, right now, said to her, well, did you really fall in love? Right now, she come here just to tell her. Well, it was really cute. Right now, Jishao, she got really interrupted. After a while, Wei Xingyu and I become stable and we called your Xiao Xingmei and Xiao Ni to get together. Oh, it turns out she really has someone. Jishao at this moment, she was looking at the message of Wei Xingyu. Well, it's not Xiao Ni. It's the third year of high school. After the summer vacation, I don't know if she is tired or not. She must be tiring. She wants to take the granular major. Medical school. She is trying hard. If I work hard enough, maybe I able to cure her kind of disease in the future. Well, remembering what Shawnee said to her, of course, it would really sadden them, especially Jishao. Right now, it seems to be they're not really over, but once he's dead. Sister Xiao, I miss Sister C a little bit right now. Well, it was really sad. I really miss Wansi. Sadly, she was really gone. She cannot be turning back to this world. Jishao said to her, "Me too." Of course, it was Jishao's best friend, and it was Wansi. Two of them are really like sisters. They really always been together. Of course, Jishao, she really miss her so much. If she was still there, he would definitely have fooled us around right now. Well, definitely she was right. Wansi will stick to them, especially to Jishao. He was really close to Jishao. Well, it turns out it was 12 o'clock noon, and it seems that every class is already need to break. But for Jishao, of course, she need to find Wei Xingyu. Since the two of them still talking, it's 12 o'clock. Why has there been no news from Wei Xingyu? Sister Xiao, don't worry too much. Who is Wei Xingyu? She can definitely do it. Well, she was right. Of course, it was Wei Xingyu. Wei Xingyu is really brave person. Also, she is also a smart girl. Even though she was still young, of course, she have a lot of things she really learned these past months. And right now, I think she is ready to handle the company matters. Well, she was really proud of her. But suddenly, she got interrupted. It turns out it was Wei Xingyu right now, and she is calling her. Wei Xingyu, pop up on the screen. And right now, Chisha. She was really excited. Phew, finally. I'm going to find you now. Chisha sent a message to Wei Xingyu. And Wei Xingyu replied and said, okay. Well, Chisha, she is really a good girlfriend. Right now, Chisha said, Wei Xingyu came with the news. I'm leaving first. I will invite you in the dinner in a few days. Oh, it turns out it was a sad goodbye right now. Of course, she need to fetch Wei Xingyu so she can talk about what happened on the company today. Pay attention to everyone and our friends. Now, it need to say goodbye. Well, it was really temporary. Maybe in a few days, we can go out all and be together and have a happy time. After talking with the friends now, Jishao, she came to her car. And now she was ready to pick up Wei Xingyu. Well, now she looks really good and also she looks really fashionable. Hey guys, there's a part 2. Just wait for it for a little. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can support me by joining the membership or you can support me directly on Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!